Hey guys, today I'm going to be changing a traditional hard drive, which is this thing here, within this laptop. The laptop that we've got is a HP Pavilion 15 CD059SA, and this is the SSD that we're going to be upgrading this traditional hard drive to. So we're going to put this into the machine, and we're probably going to see speeds of probably anywhere between 5 to 10x. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so yeah, noticeable differences. This one is really light compared to this one. Within this unit, there are traditional spinning discs, so mechanical movement, and the discs have to get to a particular spin speed to be able to operate. So that's usually why you have to wait for a certain a certain amount of time until your computer runs to the best it can. But with these, there's no spin up. It's all on set chips. So yeah, here we go. So we've just installed this new hard drive. Prior to the installation, I actually imaged the entire system. And for those of you that don't know what imaging means, it means it's kind of a method which allows you to transfer all of your apps, preferences and data to a new faster hard drive, and this just enables us to bring across the customer's preferences, ensure that everything is basically how they left it prior to me removing the hard drive. There are lots of people out there that like to just pop these in and reinstall Windows, which is absolutely fine, but it is a big inconvenience for customers out there that want all of their data preserved, and there's just minimal disruption. So there you go, it's in. Okay, following the upgrade, we're going to time how long this machine now takes to start up. This machine took 5 minutes prior to the upgrade, so we're going to time it. So let's start that now. One of the main aspects here is that you may have noticed that the machine's a lot quieter. Again, that's because there's no spinning discs in the machines, just the fans. So here we go. As you can see, we've now got a speedy machine. It's booted up in less than 45 seconds. Prior to the upgrade, the customer literally would go away and do other things while their machine was quote unquote warming up. But obviously you can now see the benefits of the SSD upgrade. If you want one or you'd like to inquire, feel free just to drop me a message, and I'll be happy to check whether or not you're compatible for this. I hope you've enjoyed the video.